Morning.
Morning. Hari ini mau ke Pelabuhan Sanur.
Nona,
Enggak. Hai.
nggak niat banget. Good morning. Jadi hari ini kita akan pergi ke
Penida. Penida.
Nusa Penida. Bye bye. See you there. Kata Riva, kalau kayak gini kayak cowok misterius.
Gak gitu fotonya.
Gimana? Cowok misterius. Cowok misterius. Oh, dibeliin Tridatu. Dibeliin Tridatu. Tahu nggak ya, dalam budaya Bali ini
Pada zaman
Untuk
dulu orang
beribadah.
bayarnya pakai ini.
Koko loko. Makasih.
Itu gak bener.
Lu nggak ada Tridatu ya? Mana Tridatumu? Udah putus sama pacarmu?
Gak ada pacar. Terus terakhir 2022.
Nyong. We are here in Penida Island. Penny?
Penida. Penida.
Penida gang. Me with the on point hat on. And we are here in Penida for the next 2 days. I hope we are having a good time.
No, today's 3 days.
3 days?
Tonight.
Yeah. For 3 days and 2 nights, we're gonna be spending here a lot of time in Penida Island, and we're gonna meet Kwang Tong.
Yeah.
Kwang Tong is on his way here from Gili Trawangan. And
No contact. You boleh gila.
Crazy Bule. And we hope to meet him soon.
We met him there.
Where?
There, beach club. You see the bamboo beach club? Yeah.
We're in Nusa Penida, still in Bali, and right now we are heading to Kelingking Beach, a very famous tourist attraction, with my wife and her friends. So stay tuned. Show me the flowers.
Orange and pink. Ayo.
Berarti itu mau apa? Yap. Turkis. Bisa ngeliat gue kan? Lihat kan? morning situation at our villa. Everyone is still asleep and I'm the one who wakes up too early. I decided I'm gonna take a look at this place because I didn't get to yesterday. So good morning. So guten Morgen, good morning and bonjour. Well, we already in Nusa Penida.
Kalau kayak beneran gitu.
Buka HP-nya, biar aku lihat.
Maybe too much.
Oh my god.
Wah. Makin maju.
Like
Why is it so red?
too much. Just yeah. Too much.
Oh shit.
Itu maksudnya ya.
Goose.
No, but it's not perfect.
Kasih nama.
Restart. No, you didn't.
Malah dia. Oh, dia ngelukis.
Ya, dia mau.
Oh gitu. Anjay.
Ah.
Oh kidal ya. Hai.
Barusan habis naik gunung. Naik gunung, turun gunung, naik lagi, habis ini turun lagi.
Kasih tahu dong view turunnya gimana.
Ya, view turunnya habis ini dikasih tahu. Tapi view-nya bagus sih, sebagus itu emang di sini. Worth it. Worth it banget menurutku. Menurutmu?
Capek banget, gila. Harusnya tadi tuh nggak usah lama-lama di ini ya.
Pantai.
Gamat ya.
Gamat mana?
Yang pertama. Bener di sini.
Pertama tuh yang mana?
Gamat.
Iya, kayaknya harusnya nggak usah lama-lama di Gamat. Aku lupa Gamat kayak apa tadi malam.
Karena mikirnya tuh
No, no two.
tuh.
Two.
My last two brain cells talking to each other.
Batu.
What time you want? I can you can just